Hi there, I'm Tom Kerridge. So 5 tips for Christmas. Okay, the first one is planning, structure, infrastructure, work out the day, what you're going to do. I would always go with something that ticks a box for everybody. Maybe have a little practice before Christmas. Get those roasties right, that's the idea. Get a lot done the day before, whether it's blanching the vegetables, whether it's pre-cooking the roast potatoes, Brussels sprouts. There's loads of people that hate them. Try something new this year. Fry them in loads of butter. Tastes absolutely amazing. And then the last thing, there's lots of people that don't like Christmas pudding. I mean, I absolutely love Christmas pudding, but maybe do something a little different that has a nod to Christmas. Do something like a sticky toffee pudding with I don't know, maybe a touch of ginger or a touch of cinnamon in it, and some fruit folded through it. So you've got that beautiful sticky toffee sauce, that amazing kind of pudding, but it does have a nod to Christmas for everybody who thinks they're going to be missing out on their Christmas pudding.